One of the best dash cams in 2023, every driver should have one of the best dash cams in their car. Such a small thing can protect you from big problems if the worst should happen. Roads are dangerous, and you can't rely on other drivers to be doing everything right. The last thing you need is to be in an accident and have the other driver try to pin the blame on you. Having a camera recording everything means there's never any doubt about what happened. People may lie, but it's a lot harder to argue against video evidence, and that record could save you from a pricey insurance claim. Plus, you'll have evidence of the lunatics you come across, which you can then share with your friends or the internet. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 7 best dash cams and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you. Choose the best one for you. As always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 7. Nextbase 622GO. If you had money to burn, then the Nextbase 622GO has all the features you could ever want from a dashcam and more. The design certainly won't set the world on fire, but it has an unparalleled feature set that offers some of the best video quality of any dashcam currently on the market. The 622GO can record video in 4K/120 Hz, built-in image stabilization to ensure you have silky smooth recordings, an extreme weather mode, and a polarizing filter that will minimize reflections that would otherwise spoil your film. But on top of that, it also packs an Alexa voice controls, enhanced night vision, a parking mode that senses collisions when you're parked up, and an emergency SOS service that contacts first responders in the event that the driver is unable to do it themselves. What 3 words integration also ensures they know exactly where you are, down to a 3-meter area. The 622GO also connects to Nextbase's rear-view camera to see what's going on behind you. Though the fact that this camera costs so much and doesn't offer two-way recording by default may irk the more price-conscious among you. Number 6. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Don't be fooled by its size. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 packs an awfully powerful punch for something so tiny. It may not have features like a display or GPS, but it does produce great image quality and has voice controls in case you need the camera to do something mid-drive. Plus, like other recent Garmin dashcams, it can smarten up your car with features like forward collision warning, lane departure warnings, speed camera, and stoplight notifications, and more. And there's the Garmin Vault, a cloud storage that automatically stores all your recordings in the cloud for safekeeping. But the biggest strength is its design. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is so dinky you probably won't even notice it on your windscreen, which means far fewer distractions when you drive. Number 5. Nextbase 522GO. While the Nextbase 622GO has it beaten on advanced features, there's no denying that the Nextbase 522GO offers an impressive practicality and function for a much more palatable price tag. It has fantastic image quality during the day, though night vision can be a little troublesome if there isn't much ambient light. The camera also features a 3-inch touchscreen for easy use, Alexa voice functionality, an emergency SOS mode, and a polarizing filter for better image quality when the sun is a little too bright for the camera to otherwise handle. Like other Nextbase models, there's a magnetic click-and-go mount and the option to sync with various rear-view and interior models Nextbase has on sale. Number 4. Garmin Dashcam 57. If you're looking for solid features at a less stomach-churning price, there's Garmin's Dashcam 57. The Garmin Dashcam 57 packs in all the usual dashcam features, as well as a few more that enhance your recording capabilities and smarten up your car in the process. If you don't have a newer car with driver assistance features, this is where the Garmin 57 shines. It packs in a number of safety features including forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, and alerts when you're coming up to stoplights, and speed cameras. It'll also tell you when you're too absent-minded to notice traffic has started moving. The Garmin 57 also packs in a parking guard, a live view, and an automatic cloud backup that securely stores your recording in the cloud for safekeeping. Tie that in with voice controls, built-in GPS, and 1440 video resolution, and you should be able to record all the important details should the worst ever happen. Plus, like all Garmin dashcams, the Garmin 57 can connect to an additional 4 cameras to cover other directions. Number 3. Nextbase 320XR Dashcam. Experienced dashcammers might mourn the lack of advanced features or 2K recording. But the Nextbase 320XR makes for a great, no-frills dual-camera solution that undercuts many rivals in its class. Image quality, while not perfect, is more than capable, and its compact, subtle design makes it adaptable for most vehicle needs. If you're after a reliable, affordable double-camera system without the ostentatious box of tricks, and this one solidly fits the bill. Number 2. Vantrue N2 Pro. If you'd rather save the hassle of having two dashcam modules to cover your front and rear, the Vantrue N2 Pro might be a sold option for you. Not only does it feature an additional lens to cover your rear, it lets you adjust the angle of that lens to better suit the interior of your car. The overall footage isn't the best quality. With some graininess and lens flare, you'll still end up with crisp, clear videos to keep tabs on what's happening on the roads around you. Of course, it's missing a lot of important things, like wireless connectivity of any kind, which will make accessing your videos a little bit more difficult. But with all the basics on board and a secondary camera included in the price, then this is a dashcam well worth considering, especially for the price tag. Number 1. Kenwood DRV A301W. With a strong design and up to 1080p resolution, the Kenwood DRV A31W makes a strong case for being the dashcam for your car. Not only can it automatically detect collisions and record footage for safekeeping, it also features a prominent display and onboard GPS to log your speed and location at the time. Better still, the Kenwood Dashcam Manager is one of our favorite dashcam companion apps. Not only can you connect via a local wireless network to view your saved footage, you can also see a live view of what the camera sees on your screen. Recorded video is also of good quality, though the audio can be a little choppy at times. It may not have any unique features to set it apart from its rivals, but the Kenwood DRV A31W does have everything you need in a dashcam, and with an affordable price tag to boot.